Peace and love, y'all. What's going on? This is Rich from Anywhere. And I know you're used to us talking about digital marketing and ways to enhance your bag utilizing that strategy. But today, we're going to do something a little bit different because we do have your best interest at heart and we do want to help you to get to the bag in other ways. All right. Now, it is very important to understand that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm simply telling you the moves that have helped us to amplify our bags even further, because it is important to be diversified in this game to be a good investor. All right. Now, with that being said, cryptocurrency is literally taking over the world, but it's crazy because less than 1% of the world's population is involved in cryptocurrency. All right. But one thing to understand is that the bigger institutions are now getting into cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm sure you've heard of them. I'm sure you've heard people talking about them. I'm sure you've seen the memes and things like that. I'm sure you've seen Shiba Inu go up thousands and thousands of percent. And you're probably wondering, yo, how do I get involved in something like this? Now, here's the thing. We do not recommend investing in meme coins or anything like that, although it is something that can enhance your bag. Some of those projects can fall to zero pretty dang quick. But investments like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Matic and things like that, those are things that we are heavily invested in. And honestly, in 2017, that's when we first started investing heavily in cryptocurrency. I don't know if you've heard the story, but we turned about $400 into $20,000, y'all. All right, so this is something that we've known about for a long time, and it's time to share it with you. So what I'm gonna do for those of you that are watching today, I'm gonna show you how to get involved, how to actually take your dollars in your bank account and transfer them over into investments like Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, so we're gonna get into a platform called Coinbase. Coinbase is a platform, probably the most popular platform for people that are trying to get their dollars into cryptocurrency. All right, so I'm gonna break down how to actually get involved with that, how to sign up, and then how to buy your first cryptocurrency. I'm gonna take you step by step through the process. So before we even jump in, you know the drill, right? Go ahead and click that like button, subscribe to this channel, share it with people that you know, because honestly, it helps build the channel and it helps support us for bringing you this information. Now let's get into it. So the first thing you're gonna do here is you're gonna come to Coinbase.com. That's Coinbase.com. And you're going to hit this screen. At the time of this recording, this is what this screen looks like. It changes every once in a while, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to sign up. So when you click sign up, you're gonna go ahead and enter your credentials right here. So go ahead and do that. Name, first name, last name, email, choose your password, choose your state, and then move forward. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, now the next page is gonna take you right here. It says after you set up your account and get started, you will receive a $5 reward. Cool, so we're gonna go ahead and hit continue. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna send you an email verification. So go to your email and confirm that verification. All right, so once you've verified your email address, the next thing they're gonna want you to do is enter your phone number. So go ahead and do that. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and enter in the 7-digit code. Now they're gonna ask about your citizenship, so just go ahead and let them know where you are from and submit. Then they're gonna want you to verify your identity. So go ahead and fill out all of this and then move on to the next step. Okay, so after you've entered your information, the next thing that you're gonna do is you're going to verify your info. So the first question it's gonna ask is how much crypto do you expect to trade per year? Depending on what you wanna do here, go ahead and select your tier. I'm gonna put under 2K. What industry do you work in? And then this is where you just put your occupation, whatever it is. All right, so before you can begin trading, the last step in this process is for you to verify your information. So you click verify now, and then you're gonna need to verify a couple things here. So you're gonna need to verify all the identification information. And then other than that, you're gonna have to also upload your ID. All right, now that we've done that, you can see here that there's a couple different levels here. So you can see that level 1 is verified. Level 2 is verified. Unlimited investing, you can wire funds. Level 3 is how you can send and receive cryptocurrency. This is where you're going to verify your ID so that you can send cryptocurrency out and receive it as well. So you would select that, and then you would verify your ID in order to do that. But as far as investing, you are now good to go. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna click buy and sell. And then it's asking you to add a payment method. So you're gonna go ahead, click add a payment method, and then you can choose the payment method that you wanna add. I would recommend, you can link your PayPal account here. You can link your debit card, or you can link your bank account. Pick whichever one works for you. And then essentially you're done and you're ready to roll right now. All right, so this is what your account is gonna look like when you are actually ready to buy and sell. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to buy some Bitcoin. So I'm gonna click buy, sell right here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to select buy, and then you can choose the cryptocurrency that you actually wanna buy. So you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum, Solana. There's a bunch of really good ones here. Like I said, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the best bets right now. But if you want to take it up a notch, you can invest in one of these other ones. Cardano is another good one. But just select the crypto you want to actually invest in. Actually, I'm going to choose Ethereum here. And I'm just going to put $50 in. You see, you can choose what you want to pay with. Since I have my Navy Federal account here, I'm going to go ahead and preview the buy. And then basically it's just giving you this information. This is your bank. This is your purchase info. And there's a little fee that Coinbase takes out, but it's all good. Then you would just hit buy now. And boom, we've just bought some cryptocurrency. All right, so those of you that watch this video, hopefully you're now investing in cryptocurrency, into some of the coins and tokens that we're investing in right now, because this is gonna be an incredible journey. Again, this is not financial advice, but these are the moves that we're making to enhance our bags and take it to the next level. I hope this video was helpful for you, and drop a comment below if you wanna learn more about cryptocurrency and some of the other moves that we're actually making to become multi-millionaires in this thing, because honestly, that's the goal, to be able to take care of our families and spread wealth to others as well. All right, so with that being said, we out of here. Peace.